This handheld device naturally reduces anxiety and insomnia without side effects or risk of addiction. Simply hold onto the device and it will quickly start calming you down, helping you fall asleep or reduce your anxiety in a matter of seconds. Patients say it's just as effective as sleeping pills or anxiety medication, and it can even help stop panic attacks in their tracks. This device is called the Chill Pill, and it has quickly gone viral. Thousands of people are already using it to relax and sleep better. The Chill Pill was invented by Cheyenne King Rhea, who struggled with her own anxiety and insomnia for years. She was tired of relying on medications for a quick fix, so she started looking for natural solutions. Through her extensive research, she discovered something called cranial electrotherapy stimulation. CES has been hailed as a revolutionary drug-free remedy for anxiety, insomnia, and other conditions related to stress. In fact, CES has been FDA approved to treat insomnia for years. But pharmaceutical companies don't want you to know about it. Cheyenne knew there was a need for a drug-free alternative, but she never could have imagined the demand. The Chill Pill is a pill-shaped handheld device that helps reduce anxiety and induce sleep. It doesn't use drugs, medication, or refills. It's completely safe to use with zero side effects and is 100% non-addictive. Using the Chill Pill is easy, anyone can do it. Simply hold the Chill Pill in your hand and adjust the frequency setting. To fall asleep, set the Chill Pill to a slow, comfortable frequency setting and hold it in your left hand. To reduce anxiety, hold your Chill Pill in your hand on a moderate frequency for 20 minutes. To stop a panic attack, adjust your Chill Pill to a higher frequency and move it around your body until you are calm. The Chill Pill uses scientifically proven electrotherapy to work its magic. The device emits gentle electronic pulses that are hardly noticeable, yet highly effective. The pulses trigger a response in your brain, telling it to calm down. Since it's small and discreet, you can use it anytime and anywhere without drawing attention. Use it on a plane, in class, while hanging out with friends or family, watching a movie, at the office, or even in a meeting, without anyone noticing at all. Even better, it's a one-time purchase, there are no refills to buy. And charging it only takes 1 hour, yet the battery lasts for 20 hours. Since launching, the Chill Pill has flown off the shelves, generating over 1.5 million in sales. It's backed by science and doesn't require a prescription. Thanks to the Chill Pill, millions of people can now benefit from this safe, drug-free alternative. The Chill Pill even comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So there's no risk in trying the Chill Pill yourself. Don't let anxiety and insomnia slowly suck the joy out of your life. Take action and join the thousands of people who are enjoying natural relief from anxiety and sleeplessness. Try the Chill Pill today.
If you struggle to fall asleep at night dealing with insomnia or anxiety, this may be the most important video you see all day. Hi, I'm Cheyenne, co-founder of Mend Your Mental, and we want to show you this little unique device right here. We use our product ourselves nearly every day because we deal with the same issues that you might be facing. Anxiety and insomnia of all origins is dealt with by calming the source of our uncomfortable physical sensations like restlessness and a pounding heart, our nervous system. You can click the link down below this video and get your Chill Pill now. Our customers are finding relief from insomnia that has plagued them for years, helping their hyper children wind down for bed, relieving cravings from negative coping mechanisms, even helping migraines. And right now, I want to revolutionize the way that you go about easing and relaxing the everyday tension and stress that you experience. As the chemical messengers that influence and connect all of your nerve cells together, your neurons have the ability to soothe or excite your entire body from head to toe. The electronic waves pulsing from the Chill Pill send the message that it's time to relax and let the tension melt away, and maybe if that's what you're using it for, drift off to sleep. In short, this means that anxiety, insomnia, overwhelming stress, and unhealthy mental habits could be a thing of the past. If you're sleeping better and thinking better, then surely you'll be living better too. Tomorrow can be better, but only if you take action and try something different. So thank you for watching, and if you like what you saw in this video, it's just the beginning. Click the link now, and I look forward to seeing how the Chill Pill can change your life.